What's going on, everybody? It is Logan with Socialverse. Just got into the office here and wanted to shoot a quick video for you guys going over what SEO is. So what is SEO? SEO stands for search engine optimization. And to put it simple, it's the process of ranking your business on search engines so when people are searching for you, the products or services that you offer, you come up first. Now, why do you want this? Well, obviously you want to outrank your competitors online so you get the business over them. And secondly, the people that are searching for the products or services you offer have the highest intent to buy. Now that means they're actively searching for the services or products that you're offering, which means they want to actively buy it. So that's why you want to come up first. Now the cool thing about SEO is we actually offer that service here at Socialverse. Whether it's a DIY, which is do it yourself, or do it for you. We offer both those services. So I recommend checking out the links in the description for both of those offers. And also check out this video coming up next to learn more about our DIY software for SEO purposes.
Are you missing out on new business because your website isn't at the top of Google? Does SEO feel confusing? And are SEO specialists too expensive? Then our SEO tool is the solution for you. It's a powerful do-it-yourself SEO tool that was built to enable anyone to optimize any website. It guides you through the 3 core elements of a successful SEO campaign. 1. It helps you to easily build the perfect SEO strategy for your website, from choosing keywords to building a content plan and even analyzing your competitors. 2. It gives you tailored, simple-to-follow SEO tasks you need to complete every month that will drive your website to the top of the search engines. And 3. It tracks your website's performance in Google, so you can be confident you're making improvements. With our SEO tool by your side, anyone in your business can follow the simple and easy-to-follow instructions to reach the top of Google, even your juniors. Don't have time to make your own SEO changes? No problem. Our team can complete your SEO for you. With our range of monthly done-for-you plans, our team of SEO experts are at hand to help, no matter what your budget is. Sign up today and discover the SEO solution that's perfect for your business.